Tom's running up now, again, to kill the guitar. Throw it!
What?
Nothing! Another string didn't break. What the hell?
At least we know that cheap, shitty guitars are very durable.
They are really durable.
Holy shit. Nothing, it just cracked a little.
The hell? What the hell?
And another string broke. Alright, this is a step-by-step process, okay?
Wait, another string broke?
Yeah.
I thought that was the same string.
Oh no, you're right, this is the same string. Darn it. So, step-by-step till the body's broken now.
Okay, try and get the neck. Like, throw it from the base, like the chunky part.
Yeah?
And then, I don't know, just,
Try to aim like that?
no, try and aim like opposite. So that it'll go like that.
I could try.
Just be like, "Ah!" Here, you know how when celebrities like break guitars,
Yeah.
they like throw it by the neck and then they go,
Yeah?
well, maybe you should try and do that.
Setting on fire.
Don't set it on fire. Not until we're done.
I burnt it.
Okay.
So,
Alright.
good?
Yeah.